and by reading the title, you guys will know this is the Easter race. But let's meet our sponsor. Wise words. Wise words. And today, our sponsor, Mr. Peep, is going to get married today. So stay tuned to that after the race. Rules are simple. No touching the pencils. Then you're disqualified. And no hurting or anything else. And everything else I will tell you guys as we go along. Also, no cheating and no boosters. Come on, racers! This race will be about, these are our racers. Hey, small dude, get over here.
What do you mean?
Are you using a booster?
No, this is my gas tank. Because I'm a monster truck, I'm so small that I don't have enough room for a gas tank. So I have it built on into me, see?
Fine, but if I see you have you're using a booster, you will be disqualified.
Well, whatever. You're not the judge.
Yeah, I know the judge.
Yeah, we all know her as the judge.
Our first racer is Ashton. Hi. Our second racer is Camry. Hello. Our next racer is Voltage Spike. I'm ready to win this. Next, Jetpack.
Yep, my name says it all. I have a jetpack, but trust me, I can't really use it unless I have fuel. And I don't have any fuel, so don't worry. I'm not going to be cheating.
Okay, that's good to hear. Next, Torque Twister.
Hi, guys. Yep, it's me.
And last but not least, Zombra.
Yeah, just because this is a car race doesn't mean a monster truck can't be here.
On your mark, get set, go! Oh, great, I got this. Woo! Congratulations. Next. I'm gonna go next. Next, Jetpack.
Okay. Okay, I'm the bestest racer here. I can do this. I've won so many times. I can do this. No. What the?
Disqualified! And these guys will help pick him up and put him away. Last but not least, Zombra.
I'm going.
Looks like we have a winner of $500.
Oh, I got $500?
Wait! He cheated! Miss Peggy, he cheated! He cheated! See? He used a booster! Huh? Get over here, little truck.
What do you...
Get over here!
What do you mean? I didn't cheat. I won fair and square.
Alright, but I'm going to be confiscating this.
Don't worry, it wasn't even mine.
Okay.
Yep, totally.
Next is the bumper car race. This race is bumper car. This will be easy to get her out. Oh man, I'm out. Yep, and so are you. Oh man. Yes, thankfully I didn't even touch it. Well, looks like I'm out. It's just me and you, Zombra. You can go first if you want. Yeah, totally. Okay, here. Jetpack is out.
But, fine.
Last person, come on, you got this. Disqualified. Luckily, I'm allowing you to stay in for this last round.
Yes,
okay?
finally, Papa
It'll
Willie.
only be there. It'll only be you 3. Last and final round. Woo! Yeah! Woo! On your mark, get set, go. I'll go first, guys. No sweat. How did he not get disqualified? Well, my turn. Woo! I won! Well, I mean, it's still his turn, but let's see if he can do it. On your mark, get set, go. I won! Oh my gosh, I did it! What? I won. Let's give you your money. Here's your trophy. Congratulations. Here's your $1,000 and your
Thank
bears.
you.
And now time to go to the wedding.
Never we fall out of line, I'd fall anywhere with you, I'm by your side. Swinging in the rain, humming melodies. We're not going anywhere until we free.
Bye, guys. I hope you guys liked this funny Easter day skit.
Goodbye.
Bye.